Hello everyone, in this video I will compare AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop. AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop are both remote access tools, but they differ in performance, features, and usability. AnyDesk is remote desktop software that lets you connect to another computer from anywhere in the world. It is very fast, lightweight, and works smoothly even on slower internet connections. The setup is simple and you can start using it without much technical knowledge. One of its best features is the high-quality video and sound transitions, which makes remote work feel natural. It also allows easy file sharing between devices, which is very helpful. Security is strong, with encryption that keeps your data safe during sessions. Chrome Remote Desktop is a free tool from Google that allows you to control your computer remotely through the Chrome browser. It is very easy to set up and you only need a Google account to start using it. The interface is simple, so even beginners can connect to either device without any trouble. It works well for basic tasks like checking files, running programs, or helping someone with small computer issues. However, it does not have advanced features like file transfer or session recording that other remote software offers. The performance is decent, but it may lag if the internet connection is weak. Overall, AnyDesk is better for professional and feature-rich remote access, while Chrome Remote Desktop is better for simple, free, and casual use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.